Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video on Behance. So first of all, you need to come here on youtube.com. Then you just have to select that particular video which you want to add to your Behance project. So as you can see, I have this particular video available on my channel. So I'm just going to simply click on the three dots right next to it. So you need to also click on the three dots right next to the video that you want to add to your Behance project. Now click on the option of share, and among the given options simply click on the option of embed. Now this way you are going to see this embed code. So you need to simply click on it, then click on the option of copy. Now once this is done, simply launch your new tab and search for behance.net. Over here click on the option of share work. Then in the add content section you are going to see the option of embed. So you need to simply click on it. Then in the embed section you just have to simply paste this code. After doing this, simply click on the option of embed, and as you can see that particular video is now added. So over here, when you are done with this, simply click on the option of publish on the top right hand corner. You can also add other contents like images, text, photo grids, videos, etc. So you can go ahead and do so before publishing. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.